Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Currency market question coming in fast. If dollar supply shifts right, ask who is selling more dollars, and you can lock the answer quickly. The graph shows an increase in the supply of US dollars, so more dollars are entering the foreign exchange market. That means someone wants to trade dollars away for Mexican pesos. In this market, Americans supply dollars when they buy Mexican goods or services, because they exchange dollars to get pesos. More demand for Mexico means more dollars supplied. If Americans want more vacations in Mexico, they need more pesos, so they sell more dollars. That shifts dollar supply right, making option A correct. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps before choosing the shift story.